Hey guys, I'm Shana and you're watching Recipes Are Simple. Are you craving cheese fries? We can make an instant cheese sauce to make homemade cheese fries. It doesn't take any time at all, so let's get started. 2 tablespoons of butter into a frying pan. To this we're going to add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. So this is to make light roux. We're just going to stir this until it's slightly thickened. So I'm doing this on a medium heat. Once it's slightly thickened, we can add in our milk. So for this we're adding a half a cup of milk, just a little bit at a time. Don't add the milk all at once because it makes it harder to get rid of the lumps. Just keep adding a little bit at a time, approximately half a cup of milk. Keep on stirring till you get a smooth mixture. So now our mixture is quite smooth and bubbly. It's time to add the cheese. So we can add cheese slices. I'm using natural cheese slices here, 2 cheese slices. If you only have processed cheese at home, that works as well. And use any type of cheese according to your preference. Stir this in till the cheese is melted. Once the cheese is melted, give it a good stir and just wait till it turns glossy. Like this. Now we can add a little bit of seasoning. A half a teaspoon of paprika or smoked paprika for a more smoky edge to your cheese sauce. If you don't have this, you can also add any mild chili powder. Stir this through. And next we're going to add just a little squirt or half a teaspoon of ketchup. Stir this through as well. And this is optional, but I like to add a small squirt or quarter teaspoon of mustard. So once you've stirred that in, you can turn off the flame and we're going to add just a half a teaspoon of butter right at the end. Stir this through. This helps to loosen the thickened sauce. Now we're going to add this into a Ziploc bag so that we can pipe it over our fries. This amount of sauce can be used over a large plate of French fries. So I have my French fries getting ready here. This is the first batch. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the cheese sauce into a Ziploc bag once it's cooled down just a bit. Here I have my fries ready. Add a little bit of salt, give it a shake. The cheese sauce, it has been filled into the Ziploc bag. We just snipped off the tip. So now we have a piping bag and we're going to pipe the cheese sauce over the French fries. You can add as much cheese sauce as you like. So I have another plate of fries just like this. So I have to reserve some of this cheese sauce. So we added the cheese sauce. Now we're going to do the same with some mayo. If you want to make homemade mayonnaise, please check out my video. To this we're going to add some chopped spring onion greens, and this combination is just perfect. It's delicious and everyone loves it. Homemade cheese fries with the instant cheese sauce. I hope you try the recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I have lots more recipes coming. Recipes from everywhere, recipes for everyone. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye!